G'day all, welcome back to Frostbite's G.I. Joe Repro. I am very excited today to finally get the opportunity to open up a few of the Indiana Jones figures. So I picked up two of these from JB Hi-Fi, which is sort of an electronics store here in Australia. They've been stocking a lot of toys recently, which is amazing, because a lot of the stuff out of the States, we just don't see everything here in Australia. So when we can find stuff that's cool and at a good price, you just got to buy it. These were down from 23 bucks Australian on clearance for, I think, 10 bucks, 9.50 or something. So yeah, I grabbed two and just to crack them open. I'm not going to bother keeping a mint on card. This one, when I picked it up, it was already separating from the card. So, you know, I'm just going to crack these open and imagine what I've seen in one of my recently made videos. I got the Grail Cup, the Adventure Series Indiana Jones Grail Cup. So I'll put these on some homemade Frostbite's G.I. Joe Repro stands and sit them with the Grail Cup and the Fertility Idol that I have. So just going off the start, I really love the packaging, love the colors, the hieroglyphics around the outside. You can see just the old school look of this packaging is sweet. Got the little action there. The figure itself, just in the packaging, looks great. You've got your little accessories displayed really well. And I love that, you know, you can see what else is in this small range, which is the Last Crusade for this one. You know, you can see what else you need to pick up. Also, I guess what I also love about these is just the availability of the different movies, and you're getting a couple of different ones from each of the movies. I'm really weirdly and I'm just excited about this. I'm from Queensland, like I grew up in Queensland here in Australia, and I never even saw the originals pop into shops when I grew up. I didn't even know there were toys for Indiana Jones until I've sort of, you know, a couple of years ago started getting involved in the toy groups and seen, oh my God, yes, there are toys. So yeah, that's where we're at. So let's start with this guy because he's already half open anyway. Get it open. There we go. Nice separation from the card. So I'll keep the card, but just chuck away the plastic bubble. So let's put that there. As per all Hasbro things, this probably says don't put it in your mouth and choke on it. Yep, choking hazard. So it's going straight to the bin. And that's going straight to the bin. That one's straight to the bin. All right, let's have a look at this guy. So just love the absolute first look at it. Looks great. Stands up excellently. Even though, you know, legs look weird as. Oh, there's a bit of movement there too. That's sweet. So as you can see, he stands straight up like that, or they have a little bit of give. So that's good. Articulation is really good. It's just bending. It's not like G.I. Joe Classifieds where, you know, you really got to force it or anything. These are just great. Bending nicely. No elbow articulation on them. It's got his little swing arm there. And a little satchel. Looks excellent. I'm just, as you can tell, just weirdly stoked with how good this looks. Holds the toy Grail Cup really well. And the Grail cup itself is sort of a bendy plastic. It's not hard. This is the gun. I think the idea with the arm is it's a swing action pulling it up, but this fits weirdly into his hand, so I'd actually be worried that if you do that swing arm, that gun is just going to come flying out of his hand. But yeah, that's it for Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade Indiana Jones figure. Love it. All right, now this one is hugging on tight to that card, so probably going to make a mess out of it. Let's see how we go. Oh no. It's something about the glue on this that was just needed a little bit of force and it was ready to come off. So that's in the bin. That's in the bin. This is Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom. So he's got his swinging arm as well. That's obviously the standard for these guys. And love too was he's got his little the bandage wrapped around his hand. Just really nice detail. Attention to detail is great. He holds onto the weapon well. That's great. Oh, and he's got a little slot for that. That. So weirdly he's got a little hook for a whip on both of them, and both of the holsters are the same. Let's see, is that going there? Sort of, but not. It holds it. Obviously, didn't have any problems reusing the mold on this Indy. Got the same bottom half. Top half's got the same hat look. Yeah. That's cool. And the price on these were good. The price point was that $23, $25, $24 Australian price point. So that's all right. But at that $9.50 price point, sweet. So very happy with purchasing these. I'll give them a nice home with all my other indie stuff. And yeah. If you're not already subbed to my account and you enjoyed the content today, please hit that sub button. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and there's also the notification bell if you want to be notified of future releases. I try to do videos on a consistent release schedule. If there's anything that you'd like reviewed or looked at or open, please just let me know. Otherwise, thanks very much. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.